What's up, guys? We're here to talk about skateboard trucks right now. Right here we have a standard independent truck company. Independent has been making trucks for over 30 years. They're built here in the US. Super durable, super strong, great versatile truck for cruising, grinding, all of it. Highly recommend this brand here, and some others I'll go over as well. Let's go right into the different parts of the truck. You have the base plate right here. Your base plate consists of 6 hole options, 4 are going to be used. Some of the older companies actually allow for the older deck setups, the way the holes were set up. So this allows you for different truck options. Here we have the Kingpin. Kingpin is right down in through the base plate here. The Kingpins can be replaced. You also have here your pivot cup, and that also can be replaced when it's worn. You have your hanger here. The hanger also has the axle. Axles where the wheels will be held to the board, and you will use a axle nut that will hold there too. The standard trucks, when you buy them, will come with a washer. I recommend using everything that comes with your setup. To assemble, it's really simple. You drop your hanger right into the pivot cup. You also have bushings here. Trucks will be, they're used mainly to allow the board to pivot from side to side for steering, and your bushings will add that cushion for when you are trying to steer. So it's 2 sets of bushings. You have a lower bushing, which is a thicker bushing, which goes on the bottom. Then you will have a top bushing. You also have bushing cups, and that are optional. Like I said, I recommend using everything that they come with. Let me drop this out of here. And then you have your first bushing underneath the bushing cup. Then right here, and then on with your top bushing and your bushing cap and a Kingpin nut. That is the assemble of the truck. And also other options are different widths, different heights, and that all will accommodate the board that you're skating. When picking out a truck, I recommend picking board size first, and then allowing the truck to fit right to the edge of the board. Let me show you a perfect example of that. Here's the finished, and you have your truck lined up right to the edge here, and no hangover. You really don't want your wheels to be out over or too far in. They want to be lined up with the board. So when you're selecting your board size, then you will then try to accommodate a truck that fits perfectly on the width as well. And another thing too, when picking your truck size, your wheel size is also going to determine whether or not, if you get wheel bite, when the wheels or trucks are pivoting on your turns, you can get wheel bite. So what you can use to avoid that with the bigger wheel, you can use a riser pad, and you can use multiple riser pads depending on the wheel size.